Hey guys, we received this Easy Home electronic tense unit or the pain relief therapy stimulator. So we received this for test and try. So let me just open the box and show it to you. It's a EMS pulse massager or rechargeable machine or the dual channel 24 modes 20 intensities or the 16 pads tense and the powered muscle stimulator. Let me just take out all these things that's inside the box so we can show it to you. So different sizes of the patch or the shapes of the patch and the main unit for the connectors, manual and everything. So these are the pads with that conductor thing that we use with it. Tray to put in your, uh, these patches, and these are the connections to put in. So it's easy to put in these cables and the pads, easily connectable. So it's a two pair that you have to use it with. So let me just connect this pad with it and then use the channel. So there are two channels here, and then you can connect both if you want. So you can use four pads at once if you want, or you can use two pads. So the charging king, USB-C charging one, so you can easily charge it. So you can also use 8B dual channel or the timer and stuff. And this is the pad just to put in the stuff, USB rechargeable thing. So the diagrams to be used is there that you can use on the different positions on your body. So after the charging, you can just take this out and we can just use it. So I'm just using one channel here for the demo purpose. So you can choose the mode you want and the intensity. So I just on it and you can see all these different things showing up. So you can choose it here, set it up. It will also show you the diagram where you can use all the different parts and the bodies. And then you can just put the pads on it. You can clean the pads. So you have to remove this sticky thing and then you have to put this patch on the hand or wherever the affected area. For the video purpose, I'm showing it here. But you have to use two pads to get it working. So each channel should be used by two pads. So I'm just putting on both my hands and it's really feel nice. The small intensity, you can also control the intensities and also the units and stuff. This is really good and I can feel that in the hand something is going on, all these stimulations. So it's a nice unit, I will say, and a small portable unit that you can take anywhere and then use it on your body parts. You can also, of course, buy the different pads if one goes bad, but you can also clean them and reuse them. So overall, a nice stimulator thing, and then you can just you reuse or put in this stuff in and clean it.